Visit South Upper 5108 and see how Tandberg Television and Ericsson are delivering the individual TV experience with the industry's highest performing video compression and the latest on-demand IPTV and content management systems.
Hello, my name is Matthew Goldman. I'm Vice President of Technology for Tandberg Television, part of the Ericsson Group. And what we've been speaking about today is a step change performance in MPEG-2. For about the past 5 years, most of the technology change in compression has been for MPEG-4 AVC because of the benefits that you get with this step change in technology, in the compression technology for MPEG-4. But for the last 5 years, there really hasn't been much change in MPEG-2 performance. We learned a lot through our development of the MPEG-4 AVC encoder, and we discovered some techniques that could be retroactively applied to MPEG-2 without impacting the standard and compliant bit streams, so that all the fielded devices that are out there that are for MPEG-2 will continue to operate, all the legacy devices. We estimate there's over 1 billion set-top boxes and integrated televisions that only know MPEG-2, so you cannot use the new technology of MPEG-4. The step change in technology that is available with the 8100 here, the EN8100, is done from a complete bottom-up redesign of the encoder system. And the EN8100 is the most dense system in its class, with up to 6 encoders in a 1 RU package, and thereby being at least 50% more dense than any other MPEG-2 encoder today. That density also comes with at least a 50% power savings, which means you're lowering your carbon footprint, and because of the lower need for power, and then for the HVAC cooling, you can actually stack these in a rack without the need for extra spacers. When you couple this along with the step change improvement in the performance over the time with the EN8100, you were able to get between a bit rate savings of between 15 and 30% than any other MPEG-2 encoder on the market. What that translates to is a 1 in 5 in a channel frequency or transponder saving with standard definition. And of course everybody says, well, why would you want to concentrate on standard definition when high definition is such an important subject? It's because there are thousands and maybe even tens of thousands of standard definition channels out there where you're not going to make a change to high definition or to change out the customers to high definition because the economics are not there to do so. So what this enables is a change in the head end to get a much more efficiency on that, both in power, in density, as well as in bit rate. It's all about bandwidth these days. You never have enough bandwidth. And by doing this, we're able to get the 1 in 5 transponder channel frequency savings. And by doing that, you're making more room available without changing either your satellite infrastructure or your receivers, and be able to increase the channel count either in more SD channels than has been offered before, or with high definition improve in that.